Alright, what's going on guys? TTorres back here for another video. So in today's video we are going to review some of the clips that we have seen of the prototype 2023 Honda Civic Type-R. I haven't formed my complete opinion yet on what I think about the car. I'm excited about the the redesign. It's a little more subtle. It's not as intense as the generation that I have. And I'm curious to see, what are they going to do with the transmission, the engine. Are we going to still stay around the same horsepower range? There's been some rumors of an automatic transmission. I don't think that's going to happen. It's probably still going to be the old 6-speed manual transmission. But I'm going to play some clips of what has been leaked. And then there's also a video that I've seen from the Tokyo Auto Salon reviewing, or not reviewing, but walking around the new Type-R. And yeah, so let's dive right into today's video. On the Suzuka circuit, I believe, of the what we get to see of the first Type-R of the 2023. So shot. Nice headlights. I do like the new headlights. It appears to me that we're gonna get 20s again. I'm really hoping that we get 18s, and not the big massive awful 20s, easy to bend rims. Okay, so we're gonna keep the trumpet exhaust. Everything about the car feels a lot worse. Let's see. Yeah, those definitely look like 20-inch rims. I think someone's also confirmed some tire size was a 20-inch rim. Obviously, we don't know what seats we're gonna get. Maybe we're gonna go with like a brushed black rim with no red trim on it. Be interesting to see if we're gonna put like 4-inch wheels on the Type-R itself. Okay, this next clip comes from a YouTube channel called Albo. I'll have a link down in the description. I'm sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Okay, so they're actually at the 2022 Tokyo Auto Salon, and yeah, so let's take a look. There's a nice little side shot of the Type-R. Okay, so you can kind of see, I'm pretty sure those look like 20-inch rims. Of course, they have the windows tinted completely, so you can't see in there. Look at the interior. So the headlights look pretty good. I love the headlights. Nice, huge opening in the front bumper. I do love that they did the... I hope that's the actual design of the front bumper. We need all the airflow we can get coming across that intercooler. So, oh wow. So, there is a red line across. No, it looked like there was a red line on the wheels. Maybe there's not. Yeah, those definitely look like those are 20-inch rims. Can't really tell what tires they have on them. So you can see they changed the vents. They shortened the vent on the fenders on the driver and passenger side. I don't know how I feel about the spoiler. Let me know what you guys think about the spoiler. I don't know. I love the way the spoiler looks on the Type-R that I have now. The taillights, I don't know. They're growing on me. I'm really curious to see what paint colors and options they're going to have. As you can see, we have still have the 3 trumpet exhaust, which it's cool with me. I like that. Yeah, I don't know how I feel about the taillights. Oh no. I don't know. We can't really see much of the rear bumper and the arrow, but it sort of still looks the same as far as the rear diffuser and stuff goes. Trumpet exhaust, obviously. So, what are your guys' thoughts of this generation Type-R compared to the generation that I have? I'm excited for it, and I'm going to try my best to get one of these at MSRP. Whatever it takes, I'm going to try my best. You don't have to fly somewhere, drive somewhere, or whatever. I'm going to do my best to be the first one in the Panhandle of Florida to get this Type-R. Okay, so here are some other images that I found on Google. So this one's from Car and Driver. A lot of people are going to debate the look of it. I feel like a lot of people when the Type-R was first introduced, they thought it was too much, it was too flashy, too, maybe a little outlandish. But like I said, I actually love the way that this looks. It's just a nice little refresh, because you got to think with the 11th gen Hondas being out, the SIs, the Civic, all that good stuff, they all got a refresh. They got a new interior, they got a new body design, etc., etc. So they had to do something with the Type-R, and I'm so glad that they did not stop production on the Type-R with things closing down, and you know. So with that being said, what are your thoughts about the new 2023 Type-R? And yes, if I do get the new 2023 Type-R, my Type-R is going to be up for sale. But then that leads me up to, what should I do? Do I keep pursuing getting rims, getting wheels and tires, XDI fuel pump? Do I keep on doing the big turbo? Do I dump all that money in there just to sell that car at some point? That's the big thing. What do you guys think I should do? You guys think I should continue down that avenue, or kind of let that car be and sell it once we get this car in? Like I said, I'm very curious to see what seats they're going to put in there. I'm curious to see, you know, what the infotainment center is going to look like. What's the screen going to look like? Is it going to be completely touchscreen? Are we going to have hard physical buttons? Are we going to get 20s? Are we going to get 18s? Are we going to get forged wheels as a stock option? Are we going to keep the car, the new 2023 Type-R, under the $40,000 price point, or at the $40,000 price point? I'd be curious to see with today's industries, with used cars and new cars, on how much money that they're going to be asking for this car. And then, of course, I'm excited to see, you know, are we going to keep the same amount of horsepower, you know, to the crank of 300 plus horsepower? And then, of course, you know, I'm excited about the aftermarket world. I got my PRL hoodie on. Of course, I can't wait for that. I know they're going to get one and start doing some R&D on it when that does come up. But overall, tell me what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on the new 2023 Type-R. And what should I do with my Type-R? I get a lot of people DM me and asking me about, they want more Type-R content. I mean, what else do you guys want to see? Like I said, I think I'm still going to pursue getting a set of wheels and tires, because I can always throw the stocks back on there and then resell the used rims and tires. I'm still on the fence of TEs or Rays. I don't know exactly what wheels I'm going to get. I'm going to keep that kind of under wrap, because I don't want to spoil what color I'm going to get. And even though I get a certain color, I could always get them powder coated a different color. But yeah, that was super exciting to see the new Type-R going around the track and it being debuted at the Tokyo Auto Salon. I wish I could have been there and actually seen that car. I cannot wait till this car actually comes out and on the road. I'm just terrified of how much they are going to charge. Like, I feel like this is not going to be an MSRP car, but we'll see. Hopefully it is. Fingers crossed. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I don't normally do videos like this, but if you like videos like this, please let me know down in the comment section. And yep, tell me your thoughts and opinions on the all-new Type-R prototype. And thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please leave this video a big thumbs up. Even if you didn't like today's video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.